What happens in a simulation workshop? Let's see an example of what your middle and senior managers experience in one of our simulation-led programs. To begin, participants from different functions of your organization are assigned to cross-functional teams. Each team runs its own virtual company, and they compete with other virtual companies in a simulated environment. Within the team, each member plays a specific functional role, roles with their own perspectives and functional agendas. Every business quarter in the simulation, teams analyze previous results, discuss market opportunities and threats, contest other team members' perspectives, and take business decisions together. The simulation analyzes decisions of all the teams, factors in market forces, crunches the numbers, and voila! Quarterly results are announced. Each team analyzes results, and an expert facilitator brings out key insights and connects the outcomes to the real-life challenges of the participants. That's not all. Participants get to apply this learning immediately. Here's how. Once participants go through the debrief and engage in insight sessions, they discuss the insights and apply them in the next round of simulation and gain confidence. Participants go through this cycle multiple times in a workshop, experiencing 3 years of business in just 3 days. During this process, participants take a long-term, strategic view of business and clearly trace results back to their decisions. For the complete learning experience, equip your middle and senior managers with the tools they need to lead your company into the future.